Hi, welcome back to my channel. Jhaycell here. In this video, I would like to share to you that we do the unboxing I bought from Lazada. Okay. Hi, so I bought the Gerber. So actually I buy about 10, but not sure where. They have a free bibs. I have 4 only. I bought about more than 4. Okay, for the toddler. It's food for the toddler, and then babes is 3, but why 4 pieces only? Okay, we will message them. So because normally is about 4 pieces, more than 4 pieces. Now only 4 with the bibs. So actually I buy more than 4, more than this. Okay, so I will buy again this one because this is the best one that I give for her, the food that she really like it. This one got iron to help to support the learning ability. So this is the best one. I will check because okay. So here I order this one 2 pack. So here, so another one more will receive soon. I confuse. Okay, correct. So here the other one box is late received, so I received this 4 only for this box. So here, so they have a free bebs, and then they have a name here, Gerber. So here it's nice, and it was soft. Oh, this one is 2. Okay, look, we have a 2 and 2. Another one pack is 2, and here was is a waterproof. Here one more is a 4 pieces of bebs. Okay, it's a stick here. It's a original from the Gerber. You can see that. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a waterproof liner. With a waterproof liner. I think this is the one. So it's really nice. So you got already 4. So the Gerber, about this one, they deliver 4 pieces first, because actually about 50 plus for 2. So I buy 2 here. So another 4 item is going to receive later. So this is the one. Look at that. So here, this is the box. It's empty, so it's okay. Then we can wait for that another one package, because I bought more than 4 actually, but now only 4 pieces, 4 bottles. So here we already have a bibs. It's nice, you know, because this one is free, belongs to them. So and it was original, you know, so they have a waterproof linen, so it's really nice. So now we have already the bebs, and then they have a food also. Actually, sometimes you can mix with the porridge if you really do want to finish fast, because this one is a lot of nutrition fact is a lot. So that's why I really do like the cholesterol 0, sodium 5, total like this. And they have a vitamin, okay, they have a vitamin D, iron, vitamin A, vitamin E. So vitamin B12, zinc also have, is already complete. So just now I confused, I thought it's already received the other one, is already late the one more box. So that's all guys today. Thank you so much. Today is for this one, we do the unboxing for the Gerber. So it's really nice that we always buy this, because it's really easy, and then a lot of nutrition inside. And then you can mix with the porridge, you can mix with the rice if you really want to. And then easy for you guys when you go to travel. I advise to buy this one, because it's really have a crunchy the hearty bits, like they can bite, you know, they can bite, like they like to bite because it's crunchy inside. And then here is a multi-grain banana, apple, strawberry, so they mix on everything inside. So that's why I prefer this one, because of the nutrition inside. Okay, so we of course we can do like tomato, sweet potato, you know, we can steam, and we can give also that, you know, so if you want the natural one. But this one I prefer because of the nutrition inside. It's really good, and then good for the babies and good for them. So that's why I do like this one to buy. Okay, so this is for today guys, our videos. Hope you like it and enjoy. And this is for the kids, the Gerber and toddler. If you have a toddler guys, you better give this one for them, because of the nutrition is very nice. Thank you so much guys.